Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, York Region's Medical Officer of Health. Our cases in York Region had been plateauing until the weekend when we saw quite a jump in the numbers of cases. And we don't exactly know what is responsible for this jump, and we're investigating. York Regional Council had made the commitment of enforcement of the guidelines on York Region residents as well as businesses. As a result, we have the COVID-19 Enforcement Task Force that has been very busy over the weekend, having laid some 32 charges following 867 inspections, as well as 1,151 compliance education activities. Fines can be laid either under the Reopening Ontario Safe Act or can be laid under the Health Promotion and Protection Act. The latter can be as high as $25,000 for a corporation. Details of the charges can be found on our website at york.ca/COVID-19 and will continue to be published every week. When it comes to people coming to York Region from the lockdown zones, the province generally advises them not to move from one zone to another. We in York Region have incidence rates that are similar to those of Toronto's, although Peel's incidence rates are higher. Therefore, we have taken the position that whilst people are supposed to stay home and only come out for essential shopping, if they do come here, we want to make sure that everybody is kept safe. As a result, over the weekend, previously, we had issued a Section 22 order requiring malls and retail outlets to ensure appropriate physical distancing and line management. By doing so, we have strived to keep people safe. However, with the holiday shopping season being here, we urge you first to stay home as much as possible, only to go out for essential trips. See whether you can actually get your shopping done online from the local stores. If you can't and you have to visit one of the stores, please visit them at off-peak hours and try and minimize the time you would spend in the malls or in the stores, and observe the directional arrows in the stores, as well as the physical distancing requirements of 2 meters or more. We are also at that time when we are planning holiday gatherings. Again, our advice to you is to keep your gatherings just to your own household. Celebrate virtually wherever possible. Remember, we have to safeguard the vulnerable populations in our community, and we also have to look after the healthcare workers and our hospital capacities. We have to ensure that those don't get overwhelmed. Finally, I want to remind you again, please stay home as much as possible. Just go out for essential visits. Do not go out if you've got any symptoms of COVID-19 or if you're ill. Make sure that you are following the usual cough and sneeze etiquette. Wash your hands regularly. Have the flu shot if you haven't already had this. Download the COVID-19 app. Go for testing at one of the assessment centers in York Region. If you have mild symptoms of COVID-19, or you've been in close contact with a case of COVID-19. By doing all this, we should be able to stay safe. Vaccines are not too far away, but it will still take a few more weeks at the earliest, if not a few months. So we need to stay vigilant and take care and stay safe. Thank you.